How can we use sales team training to improve sales outcomes? Sales training is essential for any organization, but how can you assure that it's both engaging and effective? Encourage your sales team to take an active role in their skills development. Provide them with skills checklists so that they can assess their own abilities and determine where they need further training. Next, make training interactive. Interactive training methods like role-playing and hands-on exercises can help sales teams engage in the learning process. Sales managers can also conduct one-on-one coaching sessions to help team members improve skills like objection handling or closing techniques. If an LMS is used for training, these coaching sessions can be recorded and converted into training materials for other sales team members to observe down the line. But how do you know if it's all working? To measure the effectiveness of your training program, identify and track metrics like performance, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement. These can be used to evaluate the impact of training and identify areas for improvement. You can improve sales outcomes by creating effective training that is interactive, specific to sales skills, and offers opportunities for sales coaching and mentoring.